Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I am bringing you from our friends at Mintay Papers, Christmas Stories paper pack. This is so beautiful. You're going to want to grab it for Christmas. Look at all of these beautiful cutouts, okay? I just sat there one evening with my little scissors. These are great for this little fussy cutting from Crafter's Companion. Definitely pick up a pair of those at Paper Wishes. And then it's got all these wonderful scenes, gorgeous. There are 2 of each of these patterns in here. Let's see, there. Paulette did a great product video on this if you want more specifics, but they're 12 by 12 and you get 2 of each design, which is great because then you don't have to decide, ooh, I want to save that one, and then you've got another one. Look at this beautiful wreath. Of course, they're double-sided. I love all these lanterns. Beautiful. Look at the poinsettias. Gorgeous. I thought this one would make a great advent calendar. Just take an X-Acto knife, cut away maybe part of that so it's like a little door, and then back that with another piece of cardstock so when you open the door, and you could put little messages in there. You could put them on the front of boxes and then have them be a special gift for 25 days. How cute. I'm going to do that. And then there's these wonderful cutaway rectangles, cutouts, and on the back they're plain, so you can do little cutting die greetings and things like that. And then we start over the whole set again. You have lots to play with. Okay, so let me show you what I did with these. First thing, I did a scrapbook page. This one was so fun. I did a little bit of cutting here for the background. Let me show you that one, how it looks. Here we go. So what I did here is I cut around here with an X-Acto knife, just on those straight edges of that star, and then I also cut just around here with the X-Acto knife so that I could slide my photo into those little slots. There we go, you see? And of course this is just a 4x6 photo that I matted with some red and brown cardstock, slid those into those little slots and glued that down. And then all those wonderful little cutouts, I just cut those out using my quick little scissors. I like to leave a little tiny white border around them, or you could just cut them right even with the edge of that. Then I used some foam tape. If you haven't picked up our giant roll of foam tape, I would encourage you to do this. This is going to last you a really long time. There's 50 feet or 50 yards or 150 feet in this, and it's under 20 bucks. Okay, so then I just put a little dot of foam tape behind each one of those little cutouts. I also added a little bit of gold stickles glitter glue to the centers of those little poinsettias all the way on the background there. That was really fun. And then of course a little bit of ribbon, and I love using these little pixie petals. These are adorable little flowers that just give you a little bit of dimension. There are 18 pieces in here, and this color is mint. Yes, it is. So I used those on there, and also this great green button assortment from Hunky Dory. This was great to have to add that little bit of a dimension, and it mixes that surface up with all that flat paper. Even though you're foam taping it on there, I love adding a little bit of more dimension that's flat and easy to keep in your scrapbook. And then also used, these are the red ribbon collection that you can pick up at Paper Wishes as well. Always have the right size and width of ribbon. All right, so another little tip I wanted to give you. Let me see if I can find this paper right here. And I wanted to show you how you can make this card right here. You can get 4 cards out of this one sheet of paper. So what I did here, here's one that I actually cut out. Okay, so here I wanted to feature this cute little guy, this little deer. But if I had it even with this side, I'd cut into the deer. So I just moved over a little bit, okay? And then I still have enough room to put a card here. And then over here, I could put another card here, and then another card here. And then once you've got those on your card, then you've got all these little great places to add a little more of those flowers. I also wanted to show you these sheets of red, this is brushed red adhesive sheets, and they are wonderful for die cutting because they have this adhesive backing. You just peel off and you make your own sticker. So that's what I did here, okay? And so you could get 4 cards out of one sheet really quick. This card was a fast one to put together. So I also wanted to go ahead and build a card with you guys here. I started out, here's just this really nice, it's kind of a light minty color wood. And then I loved that poinsettia paper. So we'll put that on, and you'll notice I cut that into a rectangle, but then I just tore the side long edges here, and then I inked all around it with brown ink, and also inked around the edges of this one with ink as well, brown ink. So we're just gonna put a couple of dots of glue here. I'm gonna push this up a little bit because I'm gonna use some of that adhesive sheets right here, and I cut that into a block. Oh, and I didn't get this peeling going beforehand, so I hope I have no problem peeling this. It always, you know, it's easy to peel, so it's not the product, it's me. I'll sit here and, oh, I did it. No. Steve, my cameraman, is going, come on, Lene. There we go. I did it, Steve. All right, I'm going to put that, just going to align it on one edge because I know I cut it a little bit bigger. There we go. Going off the edge a little bit, and I'll just trim that. And then I have a piece of this beautiful white lace, and this is from White Lace Trims. It also comes in cream and black. And I should have brought my sticky specs. That would have been perfect for this. If you haven't heard of sticky specs, it's this wonderful little sheet. It has tons of little dots of adhesive on it. It makes stuff like this much easier, but I forgot to bring it. So we're just gonna wing it. Okay, so we've got that on there. All right, and then cut out one of those little rectangle pieces right here. I'm gonna glue that over the top so it's overlapping that lace. And I'm letting that lace dry a little bit because I want that to get that dry before I cut. So, okay, so now we've got this great piece of mistletoe, right? Put a little couple dots there. Then I'm going to add some foam tape to these other little pieces. Got my giant roll here. Cut off a little piece. Right, and so now we've got this wonderful white poinsettia. That's going to go right there. And then we've got this little cookie. It's the same cookie that's on that little mug. And I'm just going to put that over the top of this other one. Got to line that up though so it's the same. Here we go. Because I want that dimension. Then we've got these wonderful little sprinklets. Embellishments. This is Very Cherry and this is Limeade. I thought they were just an adorable little addition to, instead of using buttons, I could use these. Just take a little pinch of these little guys. They're just like little candy shapes. I thought that was fun for the holidays. And just put them here. And maybe even on that cookie, like that. All right, and I want to put a little bit of sticklets right on my poinsettia, little glitter glue, add a little sparkle there. You know what? Right even on the center of that star. Now we're ready to cut this overlapping stuff away, which I see how tricky this is with everything glued on there. And I like to turn my stuff over when I'm trimming off excess paper and things because it allows you to trim that even with the card edge. You have a nice fit. Oops, I lost something. Go. All right, there we go. Very fast and easy to put together and lots of fun. So I would encourage you guys to check out our money saver we have on this. Wow, did I ever make a mess today? All right, so we have this great money saver. I encourage you to check that out. If you're watching us on our vlog page, then it is directly to the right. You'll see a photo of a money saver and click on that. And if you're watching us on YouTube, then go below the video in the description box and you'll find a link to the money saver and also to paperwishes.com, where you can find lots more videos and fun things to play with. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.